Oh hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today we've obviously got a really cool review or kind of unboxing. I've really been interested in trying out these products. Obviously you can tell down by the title down below. This is going to be a small unboxing of XO Beauty, which is owned by SHAANNONXO here on YouTube. She is a New Zealand entrepreneur, influencer, beauty guru, all of the above. I'll link her channel down below if you want to go ahead and try it, or also link her website down below if you see any products in here that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today. So yeah, recently she had some mystery unboxings for her cosmetics company that she has. She's everything from lipsticks to brushes to, she also has a few other products on there as well that's outside of her own brand. But it's really cool because she is from New Zealand and this is where her brand is located as well. But again, she's so much fun to watch. I love her personality. I watch her vlogs. I watch just her regular YouTube channel. Like, she's so great at makeup. She does a lot of fashion hauls and things like that. So again, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so before I accidentally show you my address, this is the packaging that it came in. You can see it says New Zealand right there for us. XO Beauty, super cool. So I was able to get the smaller mystery box, I guess you should say. She had 3 different ones with 3 different prices. If I can find the information, I'll throw it up here for you, but she did have 3 different ones. This one was the cheapest for me. It was like $27 and some change, plus custom fees, and which was like not that much. I think it was like $3, and taxes and stuff like that, which was super easy. So I think I ended up paying like a total of like $33 or $35 for just this one, which has a few different products in it. And then I forget what the whole value is. I'd have to look at my receipt. I don't remember, but I'll put it up here if I can find it. And then she had 2 other boxes. So basically it was like a small box, a medium box, and then a larger box for obviously more bang for the buck. The more money you spent, the more products you were going to get. Obviously I just wanted to try this small one because at this time, if you guys obviously know what's going on in the world, we're staying inside, we're ordering things more online, but also some people are out of work. It hasn't really affected me that much just because I do work in the restaurant industry, but more or less we still have curbside, which is going, but it still kind of affects some of my fellow coworkers and employees and things like that. So just keep in mind, if you guys are doing carryout or takeout, to take care of the people that are still working because they still work off of tips and things like that. Anyways, that's not what you guys want to hear me ramble about, but let's go ahead and get into this unboxing right here for you. So I did get 5 products in this bag, if I believe right. Now there is a little card that just basically just says thank you. And then I have the products that are sitting right here in my lap if they don't fall off of my lap, which is great. But yeah, so I do get this cute little card right here from XO Beauty. You can see right there. And then it just says thank you for your order. Hope you love your products. If you have any problems or concerns, send us a message, xobeautyshop.com, and then their social medias, if you can see that right there. Is that focusing? Not focusing. Yes, no, maybe it's not right there. Okay, cool. So that, and there you go. So then we did get a few different products in here. Now I was not surprised when I got this in here. So obviously I figured I was going to get a pair of lashes. If you know anything about Shannon, she is a lash queen. She has her own brand of lashes. They're 100% handcrafted false lashes, and this one is in the Brave. So those, excuse me, those are super pretty lashes. They're nice and fluffy like they should be. So beautiful. Love that. And then we also have, I think she gave us, yeah, she gave us some of her lash glue that she uses for her brand. I was hoping that there would have been also the tweezers because I would really love to have some of those cute metal tweezers that she has for her brand. But this is the lash glue that we got right here. Something pretty standard. I mean, I kind of wish it would have been something else, maybe a liquid lipstick or one of her face products, or I don't know, something other than lash glue, just because lash glue is not really that expensive. So, but the lashes probably were a little bit. And then the next 2 products, again, this one is going to be a face brush. Now I love that I finally got one of her brushes. I've always wanted to try out her brush line just because she always talks about how good it is. Obviously she's the owner, but you're going to talk and say how good your products are. But can I get this open or what? Where's that at? Right there. Okay, cool. This is the SHAANNONXO, or I'm sorry, the XO Beauty medium face brush. So this is what it looks like. So cool. It is so pretty. Just the component of the way that it looks, and then how soft the bristles are. Love that. So again, I think this would be really good to like contouring right there. I think that'd be really pretty. But yeah, there is that brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put that out here in the rest of my brushes so I can try that out. And then the last two products that we got in here, because you only get 5 products in the smaller one. I think the bigger one had probably like, the medium one had probably 8 products, and I think the larger one had like 10 to 12 or maybe more than that. Don't quote me. Again, I think if I can find the information, I'll put it up here. If I can't, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And I'm pretty sure I think she's done with this. She did this, I think it took me a little over a week to get the products after I ordered it. But she recently did it like a few weeks ago. So again, and then the last 2 products I have right here for us are going to be 2 lip products. So I did get a lip balm, and this is in goji and pomegranate. So I'm happy I got a lip balm because I actually really need one right now. I lost the one that's in my main purse that I'm using right now, and I definitely need another one. So just a plain clear one. It smells good. Obviously I can't put it on my lips because I've already got lip product on right now. Obviously, I forgot to tell you guys too, this full face makeup, I recently just did a review over at Kylie Cosmetics. First time ever using them. If you guys want to see that video, I will gladly go ahead and link it here if it is available. Not sure which video is going to go up first, this one or that one. We'll figure it out. So yeah, there's that. And then the last one we have right here is going to be XO Beauty Matte Lipstick. I swear, her packaging is so cute. I love this. And then this is in Kairos, K-A-I-R-O-S. You can see right there. Yeah, so in Kairos. And then this is the cute little lipstick component. So pretty. And then this is what the lip color looks like. Oh, I love that so much. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch that on our hand. That's definitely my shade color. I love pinks that are like this, that are a bit more on the burnt side, that aren't so like vibrant, but are like still have some type of like really good pigmentation to them. So it's kind of like a, not a coral pink, I would say almost like, not a strawberry, like a, not even a strawberry pink either. I don't know how to describe it, but it's super pretty, and I can't wait to put this on my lips. I really don't want to take this off because this was a work in progress to take this off, but that's why I swatched it for you instead. So yeah, definitely have to go ahead and try some of these products out in a future video for you guys, just to kind of give a full review. So maybe that might be my next video of me trying on all this stuff. So keep an eye out for part 2 of this video, okay? Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. That is my small mini haul of SHAANNONXO's mystery box. I love you guys so, so much. So if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.